Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One. What is the antonym for a hide? A. Conceal. B. Save. C. Cover. D. Expose. Two. What are the antonyms for bad? A. Right. B. Excellent. C. Fantastic. D. Awful. Three. What is an antonym for build? A. Erect. B. Builder. C. Demolish. D. Construct. Five. What is the antonym for sweet? A. Saccharine. B. Candied. C. Syrupy. D. Sour. Six. What is the antonym for cautious? A. Careful. B. Heedful. C. Wary. D. Reckless. Seven. What is the antonym for a pull? A. Drag. B. Lug. C. Push. D. Haul. Eight. What is an antonym for leave? A. Return. B. Depart. C. Leaf. D. Went. Nine. What is the antonym for adult? A. Old. B. Mature. C. Nubile. D. Infant. Ten. What is an antonym for full? A. Empty. B. Fuller. C. The fullest. D. Half full. Eleven. What is the antonym for ill? A. Sick. B. Feeble. C. Healthy. D. Poorly. Twelve. What is the antonym for beauty? A. Beautiful. B. Ugliness. C. Pretty. D. Cute. Thirteen. What is the antonym for hot? A. Cold. B. Boiling. C. Roasting. D. Lukewarm. 14. What is the antonym for success? A. Great. B. Failure. C. Triumphant. D. Correct. "15. What is the antonym for kindness? A. Terrible. B. Awful. C. Honest. D. Cruelty. "16. What is the antonym for strong? A. Weak. B. Bad. C. Stronger. D. Powerful. "17. What is the antonym for love? A. Awful. B. Hatred. C. Friend. D. Like. "18. What is an antonym for quick? A. Slow. B. Quack. C. Fast. D. Hurry. "19. What is an antonym for night? A. Evening. B. Day. C. Morning. D. Afternoon. "20. What is an antonym for turn on? A. Turn. B. Turn off. C. Off. D. Switch on. "21. The turtle moved slow and steady. Which of the words is the opposite of slow? A. Walk. B. Quick. C. Tired. D. Strong. "22. Which word is an antonym of delicious? A. Tasty. B. Yummy. C. Disgusting. D. Smelly. "23. The antonym of the word give is A. Donate. B. Present. C. Take. D. Offer. "24. Which of the following is an antonym opposite meaning of the word gain? A. Acquire. B. Obtain. C. Receive. D. Lose. "25. The sunset in Glan Sarangani is gorgeous. The opposite of the underlined word is A. Dazzling. B. Ugly. C. Ravishing. D. Stunning.